This is the Nioxin 3-pack, the cleanser shampoo, the scalp therapy conditioner, and the scalp and hair treatment. You would use the shampoo just like any other shampoo. So the conditioner works a bit differently. How you would apply it is you're gonna go in right to your roots because you do want to stimulate the hair follicles. You would leave the conditioner on for a few minutes. Both the shampoo and the conditioner have a menthol scent. Then the scalp treatment will be used after you get out of the shower. You can use it on wet hair and then just towel dry as normal. Don't rinse this out. So I'm going to wash my hair right now using the shampoo and conditioner. Now you can use all three of these products every day. Now I've just stepped out of the shower, so my hair is wet. This is best used on damp hair, and you shake it. So you apply a few squirts all over your head. Make sure that it hits your scalp. And then after you've applied the squirts, you just simply massage it in. And now you can style it as usual.